Hi, this is Warren Lath from OpenHelix. Today's tip of the week is on a new feature at the UCSC Genome browser. It was announced in August. If we scroll down here to the news, we'll see that here. August 16th. They're called Track Data Hubs. Track Hubs, as it says here, are web-accessible directories of genomic data that can be viewed at the UCSC Genome browser alongside the native annotation tracks. So if we click the read more, you'll see that there is a nice user guide. We're going to scroll right down to the user guide here. This will explain to what track hubs are. Basically, it's a custom track utility for large data sets as opposed to a simple custom track that we've shown before in our tutorial. Custom tracks, as it says here, would be a great way to show a small data set. But if we have a large data set you want to view in the Genome browser, the track hub is the way to do it. Now the user guide here will show you how to what a track hub is, how to set up your own track hub, or viewing track hubs in the Genome browser. So let's take a quick look at viewing track hubs in the Genome browser. Let's assume either there's one that's there that's been shared with UCSC and registered. As you see here, you can register your track hubs with the UCSC if you have a large data set you want to show. And a couple have already been registered, or view your own. So let's go, you'd click that to view, but let's do the Genome browser. So if you go to the Genome browser, here we're in the human most recent assembly, we're going to click this button right here, Track Hubs. You will see there are two track hubs available as of this tip, and they're both from Washington University datasets. So I'm going to declick that one and click that one. These are Epigenomics Human Atlas. So we're going to load that track hub, and we go to the Genome browser. Now as you see, these are the data sets from Washington University. But if we scroll down to the controls, you'll notice that they're only showing DNA methylation from their Epigenomics release atlas. You can also show the summary. You can go to the histone and put that on dense. Let's put that on full and refresh. And we'll add that data also, as you see here. So that's one way to look at track hubs. You can also search them in the table browser. So if we click the tables here, and you go to the group, you'll notice at the top now we've added our new track hub, Roadmap Epigenomics Release 3. So we can choose that group, which is our track hub, and we can then choose what we want to search. Let's say UCSD histone. Choose the table. There's many tables, as you see here, of data, and you might want to describe the table schema. It's a binary file, bigwig, stored at, etc. It just tells you real quick. And you can start searching that data. So track hubs are a great way to view large data sets. There are some that have been registered and shared at UCSC, and you can create your own. Again, we have two tutorials on UCSC and the table browser to get you started on using those, but also now you have track hubs. There are two places to go if you look at the native annotation tracks and don't find the data you want. Again, you want to go to custom tracks, as you see here, and you'll see submitted small data sets, relatively small data sets of many different types of data that you can then load into the Genome browser. For example, here, the transcribed ultra-conserved regions. Or now, if it's a large data set, you can go to the track hubs and add them there and check and see what data is there. Thanks for coming for this week, and we will see you next week.